Today we'll be doing a quick installation of DHCP server. Alright, just click next. My IP that I set up next. Paradomainserver.com, and then the IPv4 as the IP I set up. We don't need this. Yeah, scope name, just scope, starting IP, ending IP, and subnet mask. Next, we don't need this. Yeah, just a quick installation and restart. So now we go into the DHCP server, expand this, go into IPv4 as well. Go into address pool. We're going to create a new exclusion with the following details right here. And also make sure that everything is working on our client machine, different from our server machine. Alright, we'll go into the local area connection properties, IPv4, make sure and obtain address automatically. Yeah, go into the command prompt and type in this code right here, and just check for it and see that it is